Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can block numbers on your Motorola Razr 40. Maybe you get a lot of spam calls, maybe you have a specific person that you would like to block because, I don't know, whatever happened. In order to block numbers now, we need to go to our phone icon and then we need to go to these three little dots and go to settings. And here we can go to blocked numbers. And now we can say to block unknown, so block calls from unidentified callers. You won't receive calls or texts from these numbers. And then you can also add a number from a person that you would like to block. Then this number will be shown here and you will have the option to unblock them again or just, well, keep them blocked. So that is, now you can go back and hopefully enjoy the silence after none of those people are able to reach out to you anymore. Be aware that if you block unknown numbers, then everyone with an unknown number will not be able to reach out to you anymore. So make sure that you save all the numbers who are important, or that you just block specific numbers themselves. So that's how you can block numbers on your Motorola Razr 40. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.